Hey guys, so today we will be setting up a basic commercial fixed pipe and drape kit. Now there are 3 holes on your base plate. You have steel pins or screws and one short upright. And the end holes are used to attach multiple pipe and drape kits for perimeter draping, and the center hole is used for backdrop draping and also for maximum stability. But you can place the pins in any of the available holes that makes the most sense for your upright placement. If you end up using a non-center hole, and especially if you are going to be using heavy drapery, consider adding a rubber base weight for additional weight to the base. Connect one pin to your base plate attaching the short upright, and this end is used to connect the pin to the base plate, and the other end is used to attach the vertical upright. But for the sake of this video, we will be securing the center hole. Whoops, this baby is heavy. And then tighten your base plate with a screwdriver. Using the horizontal crossbar layout from step 1, place your base plate at each end of the horizontal where the base pin lines up. Now lay out the drape support rods or the horizontal crossbars on the floor for the width of the design that you are hoping to achieve. Now the most common length is a 6 to a 10 foot adjustable horizontal, but there are also many sizes available based on the needs of the space that you will be covering. Now slip the adjustable or fixed height upright over the base pin. And if your upright is adjustable, you don't need a ladder to use when hooking your horizontal onto the top of each upright, but rather keep it at its lowest position for safer setup. Do this for the both horizontals. Now connect your crossbar to one side of your upright. Locate a rod pocket on each drape panel and sleeve the drape onto the horizontal crossbar pipe. Be sure to use the appropriate number of drapes per horizontal based on your preference for gathering or fullness in the fabric. Now hook each end of the horizontal or the drape horizontal into a slot that is located at the top of the vertical upright pipe. As long as everything is looking great at this point, go on to adjust the drape fullness by positioning and gathering the drape pipe panels across the horizontal span. And if your upright pipes are adjustable or telescopic in height, and you have not done so already, now is the time to raise them up. You can take a step back and see if there are any final adjustments to the gathering of your drapes that need to be made. And if you are using any accessories such as swag, signage, and floral decor, go ahead and add them now. And thank you so very much guys for watching. We have come to the end of this tutorial and we hope it has been helpful to your design.